tla ka mo ka dikobo tsa Nike o mohumi ngwanaka o mohumi o ya South Africa o tsere di-million dollar
o di tšere kae bjatše ba go
wena o tswelela le tsena ka mo South Africa wa dipaka wa re ke dikobo tsago tše dintshwa ka mokana tsona ke dikobo tsago o tsena ka mo o phasitše ngwanaka o to re boela le Mazda ape bahumi ba mo ba reila Mazda o ka thakana le koloi re Haval o mmetshela matsoka gore ke billionaire
ne maaka wa mfuna a gona di-Mercedes
bona
BM
o to thakana le Mazda tše 50 until o ya gae o ka re ba leka wa thakana le Mercedes Benz wa thakana le Haval e ro tseba re thakana le bahumi ba bangwe tota ka o bolelela sis ka o bolelela ko o bolelela
stena ke bokae mo o reka stena
ene batho ba Botswana ba mo ga borone a kere o šetse o jola a o tele motho wa go mo ka rona o to ba go taga e o e sengele ngwanaka
ba fresh
o taga e o e sengele tota se ke tsana le mimi ka kwa di-restaurant ke mo apesa le dibrele tša Dimas mpotse ka Dimas ka ra mabone
yo
ke mo bolelela ke mo jwetsa ke re faka Dimas a ke batlo gore batho ba re ba nyaka o tšea le wena dinepo anti fa nna ke a khutiša ra se ka bona batho ba ba botseng leba
a tla go phasamisa
ba ka tla wamphasamisa
aya mara re nne tadi ka mo South Africa o mpotsa ke taya romela
awa ya 250 na nka palela ke 250 rand
awa ya ka mo ke akere o ka mo ka fithe ka speed wa mpotsa ka o transferela yana ya fitlhe
e ka thatšo o ka nna gape ke tanya e ba ka taba tšo ka nna
Good morning. Welcome to Get to Fame TV Network. If you haven't yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do so. This is to help our channel to grow. What a beautiful Monday. Let's see, or some they are listening and saying, wow, beautiful Monday with this hangover that I am having. It's a blue one for me. Aski Shem. I hope wherever you are, you have made a strong cup of a tea or coffee while watching this video. So the people of Botswana are angry at Janesh. This is after Shandesh. This is after Shandesh made a remark on social media that if ever you are from Botswana then you are driving a Mazda, it means that you are on the better level, you are just average. But if you are driving a Haval, then you are rich, because the people of Botswana are not driving Mercedes. You quickly likely to see Mercedes that side. So all the people, they went to their social media and attack Shandesh. Some they were attacking with the problem that she's having of the neck problem. So I think it's one of those sad stories, man. But rather than that, she's still young. So I think there is some things that they should just learn from the industry or the management of Shandesh. Shandesh, these names, Shandesh, they should just really try to fix I mean, try to teach her the industry, you know, that when you are on live, you mustn't talk about people, you mustn't, because, you know, there are a lot of people that are watching. Some, they are just waiting just for you to say something that is out of the line, and then they attack you, or they use it to attack you, or just trying to destroy your career. So it is very much important, like, to teach her, like, okay, when you are on live, this is this you say, this you don't say, so that you could keep your brand protected. Rather than that, just comment down below. Tell me, what do you think about this whole situation? When we bona beyang ngwana ko hae. Thank you for subscribing to Get of Fame TV channel. Till we meet again. Danko.